Okay, so this is going to be a short video to demonstrate how to properly install your seat belt. So this is the rock tower. These notches and the notch in the seat tower go to the rear of the ski. That's the back of the tower right there. So you start out, I've got these bolts right here loose, so there's a little bit bigger gap right here, makes it a little bit easier to install the seat belt. Start out with the seat belt like this. Set it right on the seat tower. You're going to turn it over here. You're going to take this ring and turn it slightly in the belt, just so it's about like that, and you thread it right through there. It'll pop right through there, and it hangs free, just like that. You take the first lead, you unpeel it, and you put it through that ring. Let that lead be for now. You take the second lead, and you thread it through this footman loop. Your belt is now installed. If you want to use the belt extension with the belt, take this back out, open the belt extension, thread it up through this footman loop, and then put the second lead through that ring. So now you are ready to tighten up this hardware, stick your seat pad on, and go get wet. So go ride.